And I didn't become a stockbroker, but that was always in my mind. I wanted to be around money. I enjoyed going to the credit union and the bank when I was a kid. That was like one of my favorite places to go next to Toys R Us. I'm dating myself obviously now because Toys R Us isn't around,
or
but
KB Toys. You know, they
maybe
no,
Toys. But so I ended up uh, after high school, I was going to Sacramento City College, worked at the bookstore. Then I said I need more money, and I started working as a merchandiser for Sacramento Coca-Cola. And then from there, I was like, I need a different job. And then I started working actually out in Oakland at the Port of Oakland for as a Union Pacific Railroad contractor. So I worked with this company that was contracting at the railroad, and it was a grimy, dirty, hard job, all outdoors in the heat and the cold, severe weather. And I was just like, I don't want to do this my whole life. And I think sometimes along the way we lose our focus, and sometimes with our career or our life path or goal. And I wanted to get back into something with money. And so I had a good friend, uh, and he had an insurance and tax business. And then I had another good friend who was a successful real estate agent. And if you think back to like 2003, 2004, what was happening in Natomas, there was a lot of growth in North Natomas. And I thought I either wanted to go into real estate or insurance. And so I felt like real estate was saturated, and everyone kept telling me there's so many barriers, so many barriers. And so my other friend who was in insurance said, man, why don't you think about insurance? It's boring, but it's about the long term. And I just always had it in myself that I would rather get rich slow over time, doing things the right way, um, and holding on to that wealth or that you build, rather than get money fast. Money, fast money goes as fast as you can make it. You're going to spend it. So
yeah, money come, money go. Yeah.
anyway, long story short, fast forward, I ended up working for him from 2006 to 2010. He almost kicked me out. He was like, look, you got to get your own license. You've been here 4 years. You got to get your own insurance license. So I became a licensed insurance agent on February 9th, 2010, passed the California State Insurance License exam. And I started working for a big name. It was John Hancock out of Walnut Creek. That's where I got my start in insurance, selling life insurance, annuities, long-term care. Uh, Fast forward the next year, I opened up my own agency under a flagship brand, um, and that was really my kickstart. I sold, auto, home, life, business, or commercial insurance. Uh, I ended up later on even doing crop insurance, and so I was able to do a lot of things. I saw and a lot of things in my business. 2012, I ended up getting passing the Series 6 and 63, um, which are investment licenses to be able to sell variable products. And 2012, that's when I started selling the mutual funds that are available to people all around, um, who are of age, and of course investors who are looking to add that in their portfolio. That's when I started doing that.